What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera distortion issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button. And after that, from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the distortion issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after restarting, then if you have installed any camera lens protector, then remove the lens and clean the camera lens with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the lens the distortion issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down, and here tap on apps, and then tap on this apps option again. Now open camera and then go to its storage, and from here clear the cache memory of camera app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache, and after that the cache memory will be cleared. And after that, if you are still facing the distortion issue, then the last solution is open camera app. Now tap on this settings icon on the top right corner, and then scroll down to the end and tap on restore defaults. Now from this pop-up, tap on OK to confirm, and after that it will reset all your camera settings back to default, and the camera distortion issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera distortion issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.